Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So we are back with another indie yarn review. I'm so stoked about this one for a couple reasons. So this yarn, it's still wrapped up. I haven't opened it yet. This is from, I want to make sure I say it right, Wanderluck Fibers. So they have this cute little card. I'll show you up close. And she wrote me a little card here, and it came with this like darling feather stitch marker. I'll show you guys all up close really quick. But I read the note and it says that she sent me, so I only ordered one, and it says that she sent me two because they're changing the yarn bases. So she wanted me to be able to show both of them. So I'm going to open this up with you guys. I'm not going to like open it now and look at it before I show you. I'm going to show it to you first, and then we'll cake it and we'll crochet with it. I'm really excited about it, but I got two and I'm so excited. So we're going to open this in just a second and I can't wait. Hi friends, don't forget, when you click the link below and subscribe today to join Happily Hooked magazine, not only are you getting access to the coolest crochet community on the internet, you're also getting this amazing project bag that I use every single day and these ergonomic hooks. So click the link below, subscribe today, and I cannot wait to see you in the community. Alright, so like I said, we've got our yarn here. She has this darling feather stitch marker. I'm obsessed with this. But it comes with this cute little card. I love this so much. And then she sent me a card and then some information. This has like the different bases that they have. I'm not sure if this is updated according to what her card said, but it's possible. But she said that there's a new DK yarn that they have. It's got a little bit more yardage, which obviously I love. But they can't get any more of the original base from their supplier right now, so they're in the process of switching it over. So I'm excited to see the difference. So yeah. I don't want to like rip it, but obviously that's not going to happen. Oh, goodness gracious. These are beautiful. Okay, so this is the Bouncy DK, and this is the new one. Yeah, okay. So the yarn label is a little loose on here. That's, all right, we're gonna tighten that up. I think I unhooked it. Okay, perfect. So this is Bouncy DK in Juniper. So it's got these like gorgeous greens through it and some really pretty grays and blues. And this is the new one. So this is the Superwash, which is like super soft, but they're both gorgeous. The Superwash, it's DK, like I said, 231 yards, which we love more yardage. But yeah, the colors are just stunning on both of them. I love this so much. So I'm going to cake both of these. I'm going to try and keep them separate so I know which one is which. But yeah, I'll cake them up, and that way we can crochet with both of them. But this base, the Superwash Merino, is the base that she's going to have going forward. I just want to keep squishing it. It's so soft. Both of them are. I like bouncy. That's definitely a word to use for this, is bouncy. This is, yeah, bouncy is 100% Superwash Merino, and this is 100% Superwash Merino, but this one on top, the new one, almost feels softer than this one. But yeah, Bouncy DK, DK. I'm not sure what the difference is, but I like them. So yeah, we're gonna cake them up and I'm gonna see how they crochet. Okay, so I just caked up the new yarn. So I was thinking about it, and it didn't make sense to compare them because you're not going to be able to get the other one. So I just caked up this one. So this is 100% Superwash Merino, the 231 yards, DK in Juniper, and it's got like the recommended care, hand wash in cool water, lay flat to dry. Most indie yarns are like that. So I've just got her label saved over here so that way I can stick it inside when I'm done. But we're just going to swatch this up really quick. With most DK yarns, you normally use a 5 or 4 millimeter. I'm going to use a 5 because that's what I use for DK. It's just easier for me, and this is smooth. Oh gosh. So I did have a little bit of trouble caking it. I took it straight from the hank to the Swift, and it tangled pretty bad. That could have been on my end. It could have been from dyeing. I don't know. So it did have a little bit of a tangle. I kind of fought it for a bit and had to take it off the yarn winder and the Swift and straighten it out myself, but it was fine. Sometimes yarn just does that, so I'm not like demeriting or anything. Like, I'm not going to take away any points for it. Sometimes yarn just gets tangly. It also depends on like how tight your yarn Swift is. If it's too tight, it doesn't give it enough room to loop over itself. So it happens. Not a big deal. I just hate tangly yarn and I struggle with it, but I got it all pretty and straightened out, so now the yarn is ready for use. Yeah, this is really nice. Like, really nice. This flows beautifully. I love, like, the subtle variation in it. I love the subtle flex of the colors in it. When I was caking it, there looks to be like, I think there was like an orange spot in it. I don't know if that's on purpose. It might be. But I mean, it's beautiful. And I like it when indie yarn like randomly has a different color in it. Because to me, that just shows that it was like, it's actually handmade. I don't know. And it doesn't look like that in the other skein, so it might have just been like a one-off little piece. But there is a little bit of orange in this somewhere. I'd have to see if I could find it. I don't know if it's on the outside. I'll pull this out. Yeah, this is really pretty. I love the teals and the greens and like the way that it fades in these dark colors. Yeah, you can kind of see if I can get it to focus. Well, you can't really see it in the camera, but there's like a little bit of orange in with the black. Let me see. I've caked my hair into this, so that's cool. Like in where the black is, there's like little pieces of orange. So I think that was on purpose. It might just be how the black dyes. I'm not mad about it. I think it looks really cool. So I want to be very clear with that. I think it looks, it's not like a neon orange. It's like a burnt orange. But yeah, this is beautiful. This is really good. So minus me having an issue with caking it, I think it's gorgeous. Let's frog it and see. Yeah, it comes apart really nice. I vote yes. I love this yarn. It's really pretty, and I don't know what I'm going to make with it yet. I'll probably grab like a happily hooked pattern for a beanie and make this into a beanie. I haven't decided yet, but when I do, I will post it obviously in the members community. So if you are not a member of Happily Hooked and you want to see some of the cool things that we make, I highly recommend going and subscribing over there. The link for that is in the description below. So make sure you check it out. And if you don't want to subscribe, that's totally okay. That's just where I post pictures of my finished products because I like it over there. It's a cozy space. So I stick that back in there, and then I will roll up her yarn label, and that will also go in here. I like to just kind of stick it in the middle so that way I don't lose it. Normally I would put this on top of the yarn winder, so this would be like attached to my desk and the yarn would be around the outside, and then I would just put this here and like I'd pull the piece of yarn up through the middle, and then this would go on before I slid the yarn off, so it would just sit around that. But yeah, so I hope you like this review. I hope you love this yarn. Make sure you guys go check out her shop. I'll have the information below. And if you are a subscriber to Happily Hooked magazine, make sure you check the issue this month. There's so much more information about it in there, and the girls reviewed it. Shauna and Courtney reviewed the yarn. It's gorgeous. So go check it out and let me know what you guys think. If you have any other indie dyers that you want us to work with or you have questions about, make sure you leave those in the comments below as well, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!